Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear web cache on Picsart app, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your web cache on your Picsart app on your phone, first open up the Picsart app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart app, you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icons available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here at the below side of the screen. You can see just above the logout there is the settings. Tap on it, and when this interface appears, scroll down a little bit or swipe up a little bit and you can find the web cache button available for us, and here it says the clear web cache. Tap on the clear web cache button over here and tap on the yes button over here, and then your web cache on the Picsart app will be cleared out. And with that being said, guys, this is how to clear web cache on Picsart app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.